So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps that need to be taken when your viewer URL that is used for a Power BI report changes. So this can happen if you have, a change to your viewer environment, if it moves to a new server, or if you move from on-premise to hosted. So I am in my one of my Power BI reports. So I'm going to go in and look at transform data. And then I can look at my data source settings and I can see this is the URL that is used to pull data for this particular report. And in this case, this is my old URL. So I'm going to show you how to go in and change that. So I'm going to go back to transform data, select transform data, and then the advanced editor. In the advanced editor, I can see where it is actually pulling the data from. So this is my old URL. So I am going to replace that with my new URL. So just do a simple copy, paste, click done. And in this case, and if you have multiple files that are used in your report, you will need to go in under the advanced editor and make sure and change that in both of the files or both of the queries for your report. So again, I am going to do just paste over that to my new URL, and then I'm going to click done. I will do a preview refresh just to make sure I did everything correctly. And that all looks good. So now I'm going to close and apply. And now I can see it is pulling my data using the new URL that I provided. And I can verify everything came where it was supposed to by going in, again, looking at my data source. And then I can see the data source used for this current file or for this report is the new Stratum URL that I provided. So my Stratum or my Power BI reports are ready to go.